Well, hi everybody, it's John from Drones and Planes, and today I'm going to give you a quick guide of how to get to the Wood End Lane spotting location at Manchester Airport. It's great for capturing landings on 05 right and also departures on runway 23 left. It's a really easy location to find and it's not far from the parking area, which is where I am now. I'll mark that on a map and I'll also give you the what 3 words location for it. You just literally cut through the pathway here, where you can see the sign in the distance, over the little bridge, and then just follow the path down. But I'm going to take a walk there now and just follow along. So this is the parking location. If you approach from Moberley, it's on the left. You can see there's space for about 3 or 4 cars. It does get a little bit muddy in the winter, but it's pretty safe. Nobody really comes down here. Park up and then just start the walk to the viewing point. And this is where you need to turn in. So you just walk from where you park your car. There is a public footpath sign, and then just walk through the little gate here. Again, it can get muddy down here, as you can see now, middle of summer, but a little bit of mud, so strong shoes or wellies are recommended. And just keep on walking down the path and follow it down for about a couple of minutes, and we'll get to a little turn off. So I'll show you where that is shortly. So after a couple of minutes walking, you will reach this point here. There's a bridge to the left with an arrow pointing to the left, and also there's a path off up to the right. So you carry on straight on here. Do not go left into the field, otherwise you're going the wrong way. So just literally go past the sign on your left here, and then just keep walking. Again, you can see it's a little bit muddy, and then just turn right shortly. You can see now the fence line for the airport. Just hop over the fence here, and here we are. It's as simple as that. So you can see the control tower in the distance there, and the runway straight ahead of us. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, please do leave them in the comments below. Say I'll put the what 3 words location for the parking space area. It is free to park here, obviously. Just be mindful that it is a public footpath. Please take all your litter home with you. Don't leave it lying around. It's not good for plane engines, is it? So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.